Welcome to the Instant Tax Attorney Basics series. We're going to go over a lot of the basic tax problems and solutions you have if you owe money to the IRS. Today, we're going to be talking about the Offer in Compromise Agreement. First off, what is an Offer in Compromise Agreement? Well, it's basically a program by the IRS that in reality is a customized agreement between you and the IRS to pay back whatever tax debt that you have in any amount that they can realistically receive back. It will allow you as a taxpayer to settle for drastically less than you owe, but it really depends on the financial hardship that you've gone through that year or the tax years that you have yet to file for. How much can you save with an Offer in Compromise Agreement? Well, that completely depends on your situation, and they will take into account everything from your income to expenses, your liabilities, to determine what amount they can realistically get back. On average, that's anywhere from 50 to 70% of the amount that you owe. But we commonly see savings of up to 99%. So that means if you owe $100,000 in back taxes, you could be realistically paying only $1,000 of that and have it be completely legal with the IRS. So what are your chances of being accepted into the Offer in Compromise program? Well, contrary to what a lot of tax law firms will tell you, only about 20 to 30% of applications get accepted, and this is completely dependent on your situation. So if somebody tries to come out and promise you you'll save 90% and you're guaranteed an Offer in Compromise Agreement, they're probably going to take advantage of you. Our experts will go through your individual situation and determine if applying is the right move for you or whether it's just going to lead to more penalties or interest charges and not being accepted into the program. Who qualify for this program? Well, the one requirement is you can't be in an open bankruptcy procedure, and you must have exhibited significant financial, emotional, medical hardship in the years that you're applying to have relieved. They're going off the ability for you to only be able to pay a fraction of the amount you owe. So they're just trying to get back whatever money they can. So this is on a sliding scale, and the hard and fast rules don't really apply. They do have some qualifying tests on the IRS website, but the best way to determine if you will qualify for an Offer in Compromise Agreement is to give one of our experts a call. Now, what should you avoid with an Offer in Compromise Agreement? Well, first off, do not do it on your own. You could end up giving the IRS more information than you should, and that would give them more insight into how much they should increase the amount you owe, how many additional taxes, penalties, and fees they should levy on your amount. You could end up doing your situation much more harm than good if you don't know the best way to approach it. What should you do now if you're interested in potentially qualifying for an Offer in Compromise? Well, you should really give our experts a call. We have decades of combined experience and have gotten hundreds, if not thousands, of our clients into great Offer in Compromise agreements where they've saved potentially up to 95%. Heck, some even saved 99, even just about everything they owe that they will now legally, and they have legally, not have to have paid back, which is incredible savings. So if you really think you can qualify for an Offer in Compromise, or if you just have questions whether or not you should, please give our experts a call now and we'll talk through your individual situation. In just 15 minutes, we'll tell you exactly what you need to do and what you can expect going forward.